So hi guys, morning. All right, just a quick update, right? Quick update. So yesterday I uploaded a video. So after uploading the video, now persons were in the comment section pointing out to me that sections of it pertaining to Mr. Perry and his kids, the part there's some wrong information with there because I don't know why me feel like I say a CDA can with the people them pitney. You understand? So I don't know if when the live did I go on, me I drop asleep or I wanna wake up a doze off and I catch piece I eat yes. So So I had to remove the video now and make some necessary corrections. So I just upload it back, alright? So see you all guys later. I don't know if I got able to come again later. But if I can come back, I will. So see you all and peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day, alright? Bye bye. Hi everyone, happy Sunday, welcome back to my channel Reasonings with Trina. Big up our lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax and enjoy the vibe. How no do my loves, how no do happy Sunday, wagwan. Hope everybody's Sunday and good and them thing. They well for me, pa my side over here, so a holy parade will be the have. We've been having rain all day, my love, and because of that, no, Agnes never gone to church because say Agnes a dry weather Christian. One little rain drizzle down, no church for she. So because of that, me never have to follow her go nowhere. I don't know by now say we not really two do the mix up on Sunday. You understand we not two do the mix up on Sunday. Sunday at church day. But like today now, when we are gonna come with the little sauce, we are gonna pretend say today on Sunday. So we no play say today on Sunday here. Play say today like Thursday, Friday, or one of them day, but not Sunday. Any other day, but not Sunday. Yes. So I don't know, me there home and me say, alright, me go just play a little. The little there a long time really just sang the rock of ages clip for me. I am dying, oh Lord. Sweet hour of prayer, trust and don't pay. You don't know they long. Remember they long time sang that. Oh, me forgot to tell Agnes said this song, and that's why I get in a trouble the other day. Me love with the shopkeeper, the man, the person, and the police because the song never said trust and don't pay, but had that me here, so them couldn't tell me otherwise. Agnes said this song is trust and obey. Not trust and don't pay. Yes, my love. So, make we clarify that. So, it's trust and obey, not trust and don't pay. I guess I that me did want to hear then. So I don't know now while me there play the little gospel tune them or something. I don't know which one of the door them did left open, my love, but one of the door them did left open. I don't know says that Satan come in here. After me there enjoy the old time religion sang them, my love. Satan find a loophole and him come in here. Guess where the little dirty nastiness come in here come say to me? God ask me say, when last me got Tlady yard. Me say Satan get thee behind me. Satan get thee behind me because see him how God fling you out of heaven and see him where me fling you out of here. And I don't want fling you out of here and you lose your 3 point then because if God did want you to die, you understand you wouldn't be here at torment us. So get thee behind me, Satan. Anyway, did me love and get thee behind me. You understand? So did and attack. Even though me kinda listen to him and him kinda convince me, but me no want to feel like I say him convinced because then him a go rejoice and say him overcome me. Anyway, me no tap so till me finally get him out. Me loves yes, I throw him out. Now lock my door. After me throw him out, I lock the door and I sit down and I wonder and a panda, I say. Then I really could have gone over Tlady make all tie blows now. Satan him this pop up and ask me when last me go over there because really have a fuck me love me not too frequent over there because if you like I say she book and she busy over there like things are going over the fear. Me I said me no see no reason for go over there because no over there for me go fast know. You understand? So me say me just go and turn so back and go over there. But then now me sit down and me I think and then me turn to self and me say self not really would have wrong if me just just go and like I say me a pass and just pop on over there to see how I really Satan ain't come here and tell me say in a Sunday in a the time when me I worship. So fax me if me necessary and I tear down a place where me not galang go sit down when me need to go over Tlady yard for. Me I say no, but self, any little thing can go on over there and it just pass me by. You understand? I mean I want it pass me by because remember say is a woman when she do anything in her yard she hide it so we can't see it again if somebody not really over there and can go feed them yard. You understand? So me want get the first hand tour so me want go over there. Anyway, self puff up himself. So me say, alright, and now go. And now go. But no self gonna lie down, me love and it a ride me. Me say, if I sneak out of the house, not a soul no must know. You understand? So you know me draw me like a walker man boot and me raincoat and me rain hat and you know get one umbrella because me say by any means possible. You understand me? Me loves anything me have to go through for this so skog, you know, I going through it. But when I dey galang and I galang now I remember say the river come down so me I say but backside now how me I go cross this here. Me say me love the river come down all the banking then start tear down so me I say no man. If you like I said that one you go pass me by. For me can't risk my life in a dem dirty water ya. Same time now you know me love Satan pop up back again. And I remind me now say Marceline Val, you know through Marceline Val a fisherman. He have one boat, you understand? So if me borrow the boat pan him, you know me can row across and go see what galang over there. And that me do me love me Marceline Val never say no in kind enough feeling me the boat and that me don't know end up over Tlady yard. Yes, me dear children. So when I reach now, you know, me love a park the boat after me park, you know, me take time walk and go up now if you go peep we see. And what really I go along over the make Satan, you know, come and highlight me and I tell me if you run, go look. So when I reach, you know, me love everything did start already. So she did already done in the conversation where she say, I'm here, like I say, she say somebody greedy and gluttonous. So when me hear that now, you know, me loves me, I say then somebody really broke in at the woman place, gun them out the whole her product them where she want to sell. What a smarty wicked, cause are the only reason why you know she would have come on her life now of course and I say somebody greedy and gluttonous. But when me cut me yes no one listen good no me loves. No lady did the woman a cuss out. And I talk up all kind of sin thing me love all galang back way down a memory lane and dig up so whole come back out here with. And at the time now you know some of the sin thing them when me hear me say, you understand me love, I go fi shout and tell her fi tap their lie, but when me realize now I say are the people them territory me in, you understand, next thing me go ball out say they fi tap their lie then go gang bang me, you understand. So me have to just sit down there and I listen and I say what a woman wicked a lie. What a woman little bit a lie. Tlady, if you a big woman, you lie, you know. No, man. Tlady, you know, say all of them sitting the way you accuse the woman of, say the woman come out here and body shame you and tear down your business, other people business, and all of them sitting there. Tlady, you know, say yourself, you refer to man. Tlady, you have to tap there something, the man, because you know, say all of the tear down and there's something there, and you come out here with it. You understand? The woman never trouble your Tlady. Tlady, you must speak the truth and speak it ever. The woman never trouble your Tlady. And you first provoke the woman. If like I say you have short-term memory Tlady, you can't remember nothing. Tlady, you have to tap there something there, man. You have to tap it. Tlady, you have to tap it, man. You know within yourself, say, are you start that same thing between you and Lady D Friday at the beginning. No? You know, say, you start, you know. You are one of the reasons, Tlady, why, you know, so much people so hateful to each other in that little diaspora are we over here, so. You are one of the reasons, Tlady, so you must stop, come out here, and tell them serious lie, them, man. And your son so convincing with it. Anybody will just start follow you would have believe say a true ya talk. No me loves. Anyway, no me love. You know she went on no one she touched the topic with the whole thing with Mr. Perry because we don't know the situation with Mr. Perry now. You understand me love? Because and say at the fact say you know say them visually impaired and then they on the road are beg with the little girl and so based on what the people them must say clearly now is that the little girl not like it tap it near tease her at school. You understand? You know that them are go up in the little teenage stage now you know them full of pride and all of them something there. Maybe when she did younger it would matter to her then but now she in a high school also. Right. So while Lady did pan her life now, you know me love, you know, Auntie Paula get one phone call for her say Mr. Perry want to talk to her. So she take the phone and she and Mr. Perry attack. And Mr. Perry want to tell her what happened. You understand? But she did don't hear things already from people. So she tell Mr. Perry where she hear. You know, so yes, my dear, no. So if you ever like I say no Tlady did over Lady the yard. Hey. Tlady way over Lady the yard here all the way take place, my love, and take it back to fear yard over fear platform now, my love. Yes, and she start with herself over there. For she has a Lady D take the man private business and put it out there to a public fear platform. My love, she come out into the before day this morning, my love, before cocky even take off them drawers. Tlady out there for Lady D name, my love. You know the before day morning there so. Yes, my love, you like I said, Tlady never get no rest from the night before make she have it up so early. You understand pan the people them name so early. She has say, Mr. Perry and Nisi are two teenage daughter they have. He 13, 14. And not no go so Tlady, not no go so. The man have one teenage daughter. The other one is a baby. Is a young baby, my love. Is a toddler. It's not two teenager the man have. Yes, you're correct about the two girls, but I not two of them are teenager. And as much as how now you come out and try make a pint, you understand how a lady dey feel look bad. But if you're willing to face the reality as a woman, you understand with kids, with daughters, and know how things are run at Jamaica, you know, with the little girl picking them. You understand the whole heap of pervs and all of them something there. You would have really and truly say they picking them at risk if it's true. First and foremost, none out of the two parents them can't see. So she never said nothing wrong. And they're not safe. You understand? You understand, say the little girl of them eyes, yes. But the pressure is too much on her. You understand? She been doing this all her life. She need guidance. She need to enjoy her youth. So at some point in time, she gonna become frustrated. She become tired. And not because she say she's a kids. Them have feelings too, as much as them have feelings too. That are too much responsibility if she take on. You understand that for her age. Can't remember 3 of them, because a baby is involved. The poor little soul go under a lot of pressure. Yes, my love, and she go on with herself and she talk up the things and she go on and go along now until she reach by other people names. Yes, my love, she start call up other people name now, my dear children. Like Shelly Ever Clean and them people there, you know, we're affiliated with Lady D, where she claims say them do them body, that she's turn pan body now and do body topic now, you know, my loves. Because that's something where she say Lady D say, you know, pertaining to do body and possible as something where she not like, you understand? So she run out pan the people them, my love. But Tlady, ma'am, question. For this light, you know, Tlady, before the in the morning, and you come out so strong pan the people there. Yes, say thank God you wake up. And you never get no sleep last night. You go sleep with them by your mind. Me there I think you know, catch me not really see you come out like that from the other day. Me I say, wow, things are going for Tlady, man, this season festive. This season festive, I do see she really a come out. Out of the blues you pop up with all of them bullshit here. Yeah, out of the blues you pop up with all of them bullshit here. So you never feel the festivity, my love? You never feel no festivity? No, sir. And another thing now, another thing. Then, Tlady, I mean, me tell you well, so you lie your life is true, Tlady. Then, how you sound like I say you spread bed over Lady D yard, so. And you know, miss nothing, everything me hear you say, me hear you even repeat things where Lady D say upon her life, and you say it word for word, Tlady, word for word. Tell me something, you're regular over there, eh? You're aware of everything we take place over there, Tlady. You're keeping up to date, man. Right now, I'll feel your knee cup good at chippy because you hear a ping. Eh? As you hear the ping, you take off your mount at 2 where your book and drop and creep up your kin for reaching a planka shop. Because you wanted it before everybody else. If Lady D pity drop straight in your ear, because you hitch up a front there so. Tlady, and you go like you're not guy, man. You have to stop it, man. You have to stop it. You're too general, man. You're too general. Then me love she all happy as say no. She all have you say the things them when Lady D put in her cake them a knock off. And so she say no. Say the things them when Lady D have put into her cake them a knock off because things too expensive at Jamaica. For Lady D buy all of them the good things they are put in her cake them. Uno see the height of slackness ya. Uno see me dying trial out ya now. Ain't Tlady, sometimes if you're not nothing to say, you know you have to keep your mouth quiet, you know, Tlady. Sometimes if you're not nothing to say, man, you have to keep your mouth quiet. For which part out you know, Lady, if you gonna get knock off same thing we buy. So that you up foreign and do a buy knock off, put in there people there same thing and you come out here chat. And that make you look like a Lady D. You have to tap there something that Tlady, man. A full-time man. Merciful Father Jesus, if you're not busy, come here, sir. Mr. God, look here. So my time, you see Mr. God, when you look down upon them people you're done here, you have no regrets, sir. You have no regrets, you know, creating some way. Me put on myself in it, you know, Mr. God. You can't tell me, man, tell me anything, because I don't hide nothing from you, you know, Mr. God. You can't tell me, I don't tell a soul, say you tell me, say, you have any regrets between me and you. So, Mr. God, you have any little, if I have little toops, you understand, any little toops I regret with some of them people here where you make? I know I could have guessed a seat by your face, Mr. God, a seat by your face. Me know, man. Your secret is safe with me, sir. I not tell a soul nothing. Why tell you, me not lie, you're fully invested. You're fully invested, my dear. Not lying, you're keeping up to date. Right now, you're there planka shop more than me. You're there planka shop more than me, girl. Take time, man. Take your time. Hi! Take time, man. Take your time with yourself. You put yourself under too much pressure, my love. Too much hackling. Tan to the man. Tan to the mind your pressure. Mind your arteries, them. Mind your heart string. Good God, man. You put yourself under too much. Too much. But then again, you know, me love, whether listener, you know, me think say a lady, they are the only baker. Hey, are the only baker here out of Jamaica that she have problem with. And all lady they alone. And all lady they alone because say me love, oh no, one that somebody this pop up there that they not do baking to, you know. Yeah, and him shipping to foreign. Hey, yes, me love him shipping to foreign. Me dear, oh no, so she come out and address that. Me nah go tell no lie pan her still, you know, me love. Me nah go tell no lie pan her. Because say she never call any names, but you need to read between the lines. Read between the lines. Yes, she come out and address it. And I say everybody have focus pa America. Everybody focusing pa America. What happened to Canada and the rest of foreign them. Everybody, you know, I run for Sankey come to America. The lady, me ask you a question, ma'am. You alone can supply America? You alone can supply America? It's like you really and truly have a problem with anybody who bake. You really is a troublemaker. Me not lie to you, lady. You really is a trouble. And you're not an undercover troublemaker. You're a real troublemaker. You do your thing and then you come complain innocent. Because we know who you're talking. We know who you're talking. So don't feel like I say we don't know who you're talking. We know who you're talking. So you soon take set on him now, don't it? Eh? You talk it truth, man. Talk it truth. You soon take set pan him too. Anytime for him thing, you know kick off and start. You know go along with yourself like a lady there, so you take set pan him. You see you till lady, you see you. I don't know how you find the time to see everybody business. I don't know how you find the time, lady. For no pass fear ya them. She go as far as fear say me love say cake industry I get floody. Yeah, that means that too much somebody I do baking now. Too much somebody doing baking now. So if you ever like I said, lady worried. She worried about the cake industry. Because everybody know what they can baking me dear children. So it hurt her. So me no know what wrong with white people. You know if it's a Jamaican, if them a get their little orders are foreign, they know if ship a foreign. Why not? If the people them business are expand and a grow, ship galang, then white lady, you have problem with that, man? Why you have problem with that? You tell me now. Me no like how you behave like foreigner feel. I don't like how you behave like I say foreigner feel or you have shares in a foreign. You have shares in a foreign tea lady. Eh? You don't want nobody else get none of Mr. Sam. Me loves dear, me dear children. Me loves. It look like I said she get little extra in her day today. Me not lie. She get little extra hours in her days today. Because then she move on to the nether lady now, you know. The same troublemaker woman over, so now she move on to her. So a whole heap of topic she did have in her one today, me dears. For according to her now, she say, lady, I laugh after the woman because say she homeless. Now, you know see how you turn now. Eh? Uno see how uno turn now. Uno see him one no. Uno come out and uno poke the woman left. Uno poke her right. Uno poke her all both in the her behind. Uno poke her. And uno poke her now till she can't take the poking no more. She cannot take the poking no more. And when she retaliate now, as she are the bad somebody. Eh? As she are the bad somebody and as she are the problem. I don't see what uno do to this woman. Eh? Uno wish all dead pan the woman. Uno wish plane crash. Uno wish earthquake shake down your house. Uno wish all kind of evil things for the woman. Uno come out for the woman in all kind of different ways. And as soon as the woman come out and address any little thing, uno say she had the problem. Uno unfair man. Uno is very unfair. I'm biased too. Because uno love point finger say people biased. Uno biased too. Just because you don't like the woman, you don't give him train and basket for your water. Boy, rough, me not lie. Me not lie. How much more can one smaddy take? How much more can one smaddy take? My God. Anyway, my loves, Big up on yourself. Enjoy the rest of our Sunday. Peace out. Enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. Please remember you reach this part of the video. You haven't liked it as yet. Touch the like button. Give a girl some like. You know here. Big up on yourself and me see you again in our next video. Later.